Am I your brother?
Itchy my butt.
Bolo ko dito.
It's so itchy.
Dito, no. No.
Teacher.
Come on.
Itchy.
Teacher man ako, hindi man ako taga scratch ng back.
That's harder.
Tanawa ra ko to. Scratch harder daw.
Harder, faster, like that.
Alo, harder, faster pa dyan. Ikaw ayaw kay maano ang back mo. Dagay, tingin na ako sa back mo, babe. Oh, may pimples ang back mo, Jisek. Ito ang itchy?
Yeah.
May pimple man ito.
My brother always scratching. It's so hard.
Tama na, kay mas-scratch ang back.
I actually know scratching.
Oh, ganyan.
You do that.
Ganyan. Enough na, enough na. This is enough. Go back to your seat na. Hindi dapat i-scratch. Oh, very sharp ang nails ko. If I scratch it very hard, sugat ang
Can
likod.
do it again. It's so itchy.
No, wait. I need to get a brush. Dali. Here. Nice na.
I want a big brush.
You want a big brush? I don't have the big brush, man. Mag-ayos ka din ng tayo. Magpa-brush ka pa ng likod. Hindi ka pa nag-aayos ng tayo eh. So, man,
I have a lot of money.
what happened to your back, man? Why it got a pimple, man? Ala, big boy na dyan si Jason. Kaya pimples naman yung back. Na.
Can I scratch with his hands?
Ayaw, not with the hand. Tanawa, imong gitusok-tusok og pencil. Bakit may marks na yan sa likod?
Some friends or weeks ago, they tusok my tummy with the...
Hand, tusok yung tummy?
Yes.
Natusok ito dyan.
Hello, bro. I'm gonna read Rose.
Don't do that.
Why?
Face front lang. Enough na, uy. Di na.
No.
Enough
Itchy,
na.
bitch. What's
Ilagay
itchy?
mo lang yan
Can you
dyan.
sit with your hand, please?
Not with the hand. Taas lagi ang nails ko.
Yes.
Taas ang nails ko. Masugat ang back mo. Di. Ala, uy. Kani di ang brush ko. Ana, unday na ako. Why man? Is it working?
Look at it. Please eat with your hand, please.
Bakit man? Hands man talaga. Ganyan.
Yeah, you can do it. Got it too much.
Wag, uy, kay masugat ang back
Like
mo.
my brother.
Like your brother.
Yeah, because I just try to make it.
Uy, ay,
Do that also fast.
enough na. Is it good na? Good enough na?
Yeah.
Grabe, ma-itch. Uy.
I want to make you small teacher because you got to fast.
Oh.